Hello, everybody. It's the Soul Gardener. Hey, do any of you out there got a hankering for chili mac, but you don't want to use a microwave, but you don't have access to a stove? Well, your next solution is as close as a rice cooker. Yes, you can absolutely cook pasta and so many other things in a rice cooker. I recommend, to get the most bang for your buck, these shells and cheese from the Dollar Tree. They come with the cheese sauce packets, so really rich, really tasty. You can cook the pasta in the rice cooker. Now, this innard, it doesn't have anything to grab onto. It's hot. So once your pasta is cooked, scoop it out with a slotted spoon like this, and you can add your cheese sauce and you're all set. And then you can add your chili. Now, if you want to save even more money, you can go ahead and make chili from scratch. And I do have a recipe for how to make a big batch of chili using your rice cooker, and I will have a link to that video in the description below. So, especially if you use a lot of chili, you've got a lot of food for not a lot of money, and you didn't even have to get out the stove. So I hope those tips were handy to you. And in the meantime, yeah, I know times can be a little bit nerve-rattling out there, but I want to encourage you. You're going to make it through these times. I believe in you, and I'm sending all my love out to you. And I wish you happy saving.